Hi Sam, in this video I'm going to teach you how to enter in the options for the configured products on the web store. As you can see, I have open the Excel sheet that I sent you, and first thing we need to do is to log into the backend. You go to oharon.deliriumcg.com/admin and you should see this, and you want to enter in your username and password that I provided for you and click login. After a minute it should load and you should see a page something like this, and you want to navigate to catalog, manage products, and here you should see a list of all of the products that we've been creating. There are a lot of them, 470 pages, 9,392 products are in. So now you're going to want to reference the sheet that I sent you. The ID number over here in the first column, I would copy that out and paste that in here. And this is a search bar for searching through the database, and then click search. The IDs are unique, and so you should only get the one product that you're looking for. And you'll see here that it says that it's a configurable product, and the SKU and the name should match what's in these two columns. So you want to select the product, and all the way down on the left you will see associated products, and you want to click that tab. And here you will see that you have the attribute size and color. And we're going to want to use this box right here for quick, simple product creation. You want to enter 0 for the weight because it is going to add this weight on to the weight we've already put into the system. For status, you always want to choose enabled. For visibility, you always want to choose not visible individually. And for quantity, you always want a quantity above 0 to ensure that it will show on the front end for now. Obviously, we're going to update the inventory before we launch the site completely. So the next step is to look at all the size options and color options from the spreadsheet that I sent. So first up for this SKU is 3230. So we want to go to size and find in the list 3230, or you can start typing it. As long as you move quickly, it should find the right one for you. So here's 3230, and then the first color choice is black. So we want to do 3230 and then find black, and then we do quick create. And now down here you should see that we've created the pants black 3230. So then we want to do however you want to go, by color or by size. I would do by sizes first, so I would go back to 3230 again. Next color is desert tan. All of this information will stay, so all you have to change from here on out is the size and the color. Quick create. Now you've created that option. When you're done with all of the options that you intend to sell on the store, you click save up at the top, and it will take you back to the list where you can search for the next product. Does that match? Yep, it matches. Okay, and it's worth noting that for this particular product, the second one, we have already completed most of the options for this product. The only remaining sizes are these ones that are red, so starting at 1932. But for each of these sizes, you'll still need to do all of the colors that are sold in that size. This is something worth going over beforehand because there are so many options. It's worth it for you to find out which sizes are being sold in which colors. We will not be able to do these en masse. You'll have to enter them in one at a time. So knowing in advance whether or not that color size combo is sold will be really helpful. Some of these have a huge amount of size options as well as a lot of color options, which makes for a lot of end products. So this may be very time consuming. If you have created some of the options and not all, but you're going to step away from the computer for a while, or if you've been working for a while and you're concerned, the Save and Continue Edit button allows you to save your progress, but remain on the product you were already working on, but it will wipe these fields. So again, you'll need to enabled, not visible individually, color, size. If you happen to accidentally create a combo that you do not need, you can find it in the list in the bottom. You can see there's already 255 products attached to this one, so 13 pages for you to sort through. But you can find just the specific product you're looking for and edit it in a pop-up window. So you could delete it from here or change some of the options if you needed to. It's kind of a simple task. It's just very tedious and very detail oriented. If you want to just create all the available options at the end of this process, when all of the products and all the options are in, I'm going to export a full database list for you, and we will be able to simply delete out any of the option combos that you are not planning to sell on the store. So that will be something we will do at the end of this. So that should be all of the information that you need in order to edit these. If you run into any problems, let me know. Again, I would search by the ID because that will really help you to only see the one product that you want to be editing, and you always want to be sure that the type of product you're editing is configurable. Otherwise, you will not have the option to associate products with it. For example, if you search the SKU, you will see that you will end up being able to view all 256 attached products, which you would have to weed through and try to find the correct one, or set this to configurable and then the SKU and search, and that should lower the number. But sometimes the SKUs are very close and you'll still get extra options here, so I definitely recommend searching by the ID number, which is why I have provided it for you, as well as made it pink. And just remember, please, for this one on row 3, that you only need to create the sizes in red to go along with all of the colors over there. But all the rest of these have not even been started, so these ones you will need to do all of the option combos. But once you have completed these, that will be pretty much all that is left on the database, other than some editing out of products we don't want to sell and minor updates that you added from version 10 of the database that still need to go in. So if you have any questions, again, just email me or call me or get in contact with me some way, and we will be able to sort it out. But hopefully this gives you all the information that you need, and you should be able to have this done in however long it takes you to enter in all these different combinations. All right, thank you.